We've all seen it by now. People making 5, 10, 20,000% gains on these meme coins that have no value, no team, no anything. Yet they're pumping like crazy and making people millionaires overnight. I mean, just a couple weeks ago, we saw the Pepe coin up 2,800% in just 2 days. The Sponge coin up 5,700%. And as much as I don't recommend getting into these meme coins as it's a straight up gamble, at this point, it seems like we can't beat them. So we have to join them, right? Now, last year, I actually got lucky with one of these meme coins and turned $500 into $50,000. And since we're seeing this meme coin come back right now, I thought, why not make a video about how you can find these meme coins before they explode and possibly make you a lot of money. So in today's video, I'm just going to go over which websites and tools you should be using and what to be looking for exactly that will give you the best odds of finding these next meme coins that will take off. And if you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to share a way that no one is talking about on how you can find these crazy meme coins. But before we get into it, as always, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I make videos all about crypto and how you can become rich from it. So if that interests you guys, consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so the first tool I'm going to show you is actually on my computer because it'll make it a lot easier for you guys to understand, but it's called DEX Tools. It's kind of like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, but a lot more sophisticated and tailored to a lot more of those crypto enthusiasts that want to know more about DeFi and specific crypto projects. Now, I'm on the homepage right now, and at first it can look overwhelming, but trust me, there's only a couple things we need to look at, so you can ignore everything else. But the first thing I want to show you is the daily gainers and daily losers. Now, realistically, I usually don't look at these because a lot of these are just like pumps. Like even if I click on this one, it's going to be a pump and it's going to fall right back down. As you can see over here, there's a huge pump, it came right back down. So honestly, you don't even need to look at these. These are just like FOMO numbers, you can ignore them, and these obviously the price probably got rug pulled or something. That's just the game with the meme coins. I hate to say it, but rug pulls are very common. These numbers are very common. These drops are very common. If you want to get into this, you're gonna have to get used to it. But the feature I want you guys to look at is the hot pairs. Now this tracks the top visited pairs in the last 24 hours. So in the past 24 hours, these top 10 coins have been searched the most, and you can use that to your advantage because from what we know with meme coins, they're all about hype and searches and fast movement. So if we look over here, we see the Cappy, Turbo, they're down 37-15%, but they are also being searched up the most. So just because they're on the hot pairs list doesn't necessarily mean the price is going to go up automatically. It just shows that a lot of people are searching it, which is a very, very important, useful information when we make decisions on what to buy with meme coins, because like I said, it all depends on hype. Because without hype, all these meme coins are nothing. So what I like to do is occasionally monitor these top 10 coins. You know, usually the top 10, top 5 are kind of the same. Pepe's have always been on the list, but what I like to do is see what new coins sometimes pop up. Like Laddies, this was new, like this hasn't been here recently, so a lot of people are searching them. So you can click on it and see, you know, what the price action is. You know, if you scroll out how long ago the coin was created. So if we do over here, the pool was created on 5/7, which at the date of this recording puts it about a week old. And you can see a whole bunch of other stuff over here. You can see the price, you can see the hot level, you can also see what they have, which is called the DEX score, which I don't really focus on too much because yes, it is 98 out of 99, which is a very high score, but at the end of the day, these are meme coins that random people just made. You can also see a whole bunch of information on the coins, such as the total liquidity, which is 817,000, the volume, market cap. If you scroll down, you can see a whole bunch of other stuff like, you know, buy tax, sell tax, is it mintable, a whole bunch of other things about the coin. You can see the community trust level, which is a really good thing to look at, because look, you can see 32 or 67% is downvote, but the DEX score is 98, which, you know, doesn't add up. But yeah, if we go back, I just like to use the hot pairs tab just to see what new coins is trending. Maybe I can look into it. Maybe it's a good buy. Look, I just went back right now. Look, Pepe is #1 right now. So these are constantly always moving. So it's good to keep your eyes on them and make decisions based on the hype levels. Now, if you scroll down some more, you can see all the other pairs. You can filter by the price. You can filter by the past 24 hours, which has the most gains. You can filter by volume, DEX. Another thing, I forgot to mention this, but we can actually do right now, I'm on Ethereum. What you can actually do is change the chain. So you can do all chain, BNB, but look, you can see over here 56,000 for Ethereum. If you go over to BNB, the highest is only like 2,000. So Ethereum is a place to be when it comes to meme coins. Unfortunately, Ethereum also comes with the crazy gas fees, but unfortunately there's nothing we can do about it. It's just easier for developers to make these meme coins on Ethereum is just very easy for them. So that's why a lot of them use Ethereum's network to make these coins. And sometimes what I like to do is filter by the created and to see what new coins are, you know, kind of up right now. We can see 7 hours, 9 hours, 13 hours. These are really new coins that are up 195, 16,000%. Now another really cool feature I want to show you is their live new pairs. Now take this with a huge grain of salt because 99.99% of the coins in here are going to go to zero. They're worthless, but it's also really good to know as well. Here is where you can see all the newest listed coins on the Ethereum network. So over here we saw D Pepe has just been listed 2 minutes and 40 seconds ago. So, and like I said earlier, the key to meme coins is being early, and you can't get earlier than this. One thing I like to look at is pool variation. Now unfortunately I'm going based off another YouTube video. I don't necessarily know what it means, but on that video the guy said to look for a higher pool variation. I tried looking it up, but I don't know what it means. Now obviously this is all going to be straight up gambling. You'll never know what coin is going to do good and majority will do bad, but like I said, it's a cool thing to have where you can see all the new coins being listed. But yeah, these were the two features that I really like to use on DexTool. It's their live new pairs, just to see what new pairs are being listed, and on their dashboard, the hot pairs. This is something I use a lot. Now another website is this website called Gecko Terminal. Now this is kind of the same thing. It shows you the most viewed pools, top gainers, top losers. It also shows you what's kind of trending the most on Ethereum in terms of 24-hour transactions. That's something I also like to look at too. How many transactions are on these newer coins? So over here, Gala's older coin, so that's not a good example, but like Gen over here, 4,500 transactions, which is a lot. You know, $11 million volume, $1 million in liquidity. And if you wanted, you could also go to a website like CoinMarketCap. All you have to do is head over here to, I think, cryptocurrencies, categories, and then they actually have a memes category. Now I usually don't like to use this because CoinMarketCap is very broad. It's very for the beginner type people, so a lot of their stuff is delayed, it's not accurate, but DexTools is like real time, so I prefer to use this. All right, now those were some of the tools you can use to research and really get into the data of the coin. But if you really want to find these new crypto projects on a macro level, not just seeing the newest ones being listed on the website, then you're gonna have to download TikTok. Now, I know it's not the answer you were looking for, but trust me, TikTok is the place to be to find these new crypto projects that are gonna blow up. That's where I found mine last year and was able to make that $50,000 I was talking about. Now, the reason why TikTok is the best thing when it comes to finding meme coins is because TikTok is all about that quick, fast, hype videos, and that's exactly what a meme coin is as well. It's quick and it's fast. If you look at the music industry, for example, all the top songs that are trending right now, they all came from TikTok. People using it in their videos, dancing to it, which causes other people to be intrigued by it, and then they'll go to Spotify or Apple Music and listen and search for that video there, causing that song to go viral or become trending. And the same thing goes for these crypto meme projects. And if I'm being honest, I really do think the projects that we see those crazy meme gains on happen only because they were on TikTok. See, what happens is, let's say someone makes a video about a meme coin saying, you know, they bought it or they think the price will go up. When they post that video, the way the TikTok algorithm works is that video will be shown to other people's For You page, on your For You page, even if you don't follow that person. Now, when that video comes on your feed and you see this person saying that, you know, this crypto project, it's really early, no one's talking about it, it has a 10x potential, you're naturally going to be more intrigued by it. Maybe you're gonna look it up. Maybe you might even put some money into it based off that just one video. Now, you're just one person. Let's say 10,000. 100,000 or even 1 million people watch that video, because like I said, you don't need a following to get views on TikTok. You can just get it naturally just by posting a video. Like your first ever video could legit get 1 million views. Now what's going to happen is a good amount of those viewers that watch that video about the meme project will look it up, just like how you are going to do. They're going to search for it and they're going to probably buy it in hopes of the price to go up. And now because they bought the coin, they're going to want to tell other people about it and tell them to buy as well, or even maybe post a video about it themselves on their own TikTok page, which will only cause more eyeballs, more searches, more buying, all causing the price of that meme coin to go up. And on the back end, with all these people searching about that coin, it'll trigger softwares on websites like CoinMarketCap, or what I talked about earlier on DexTools, where they have their hot pairs tab. Now when that coin gets listed on the hot pairs tab, it will cause more people to look into it and possibly buy into it that they didn't even see that video on TikTok, they just see it on that website. And this whole thing started from just one TikTok video. Now, obviously, this doesn't happen with every coin, but I've seen it happen many times to ignore the fact that TikTok plays a big role in the success of a meme coin. And I guarantee you that if you search for coins that shot up like crazy in the past, like meme coins on TikTok, you will see videos talking about it before that coin even shot up. So how can you use this to your advantage? Well, the first thing to do is download TikTok if you haven't already and start interacting with crypto type content. Search up crypto lingo, meme coins, and a whole bunch of other things related to crypto. And anytime you get a crypto video on your feed, make sure you watch the whole video, like it, and do all that stuff. Just interact with those type of content. By doing this, it'll tell the TikTok algorithm that you're interested in crypto type content, and it'll show you more of the similar type content. And as you start to get more crypto content on your feed, you'll learn about new upcoming projects, meme coins, tips, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Like, honestly, outside of just meme coins, I've learned a lot about crypto just on TikTok. But let's say you come across a video where someone's talking about meme coins. First, see, does it have a lot of views? Is it a couple weeks old? Are you too late to the boat? Or was it just posted a couple days ago or yesterday? Check to see if other people are talking about it, or maybe do some research using DEX tools like I talked about and see how long ago that crypto was actually even created. By doing all this, it'll increase your chances of catching or at least being informed of a meme coin before it explodes. Like that sponge coin, for example. I started seeing videos about it on TikTok actually a couple days before I even saw that huge run up. Now, obviously, I didn't buy anything, but it just goes to show you can see these videos before they blow up. But yeah, these were some of the things you can start looking into to help you find that next meme coin before they explode. Now remember, like I said, meme coins is a gamble. There's no value, there's no utility, there's legit nothing to it. Anyone can legit just go to Fiverr and have someone create a crypto for them and just list it. So be cautious when you're buying into these meme coins. Also, piece of advice, if you do get into some of these meme coins, just know you're dealing with hours to days. If you hold anything longer than like a week or two, unless you're very early, you will lose your money because the lifespan of these coins are very short. And whatever you do not get attached to what you buy. I see so many people do that and not sell when they should have sold just because they're too attached to it and they think the coin is going to go up even more. But that's not how meme coins work. Meme coins are completely different from the regular crypto market. But yeah, and if you actually got into meme coins before, let me know what's the most you've actually made on it down in the comment section below, because I'm genuinely curious, because I know some people made some crazy money off of meme coins. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Remember to subscribe. I make videos all about crypto and how you can become rich from it. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.